Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Steve's Lava Chicken as recorded by Jack Black in the Minecraft movie. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we'll talk about the chords you need for GCEA, soprano, concert, tenor, ukulele. Then we'll talk about the chords you need for baritone, DGBE ukulele. And then I'll talk strumming a little bit. Just as a note, there is a school version of this as well that removes the one word that quite isn't appropriate for school settings. If you want to support the work on this channel and the sister channel, number one, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel, whether this is the Uke Stuff channel or the Uke Play-alongs channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. The first chord is the D minor chord. It's an F chord with an extra finger on it. Then a G minor chord. May just take a little bit of extra practice to put that first finger down and the other two fingers around it. The A minor chord. And then a D sus2. Really make that D minor shape and just lift off your first finger. And that's the D sus2 chord. And those are all the chords you need to play Steve's Lava Chicken on GCEA soprano, concert, tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. On baritone, first you'll need the D minor chord. If you don't play the D minor chord a lot, it may just take some practice. Put that first finger down and then the other two fingers should fall right into place. Then a partial bar chord G minor. Take your first finger across all three strings at the third fret, only barring strings 3, 2, and 1, but you play all four strings. Then an A minor chord. And then a D sus2. So play your D minor chord, but lift up your first finger. And those are the four chords you need to play Steve's Lava Chicken on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. As it comes to strumming, remember there are 3 rules to strumming. First of all, make sure that you play the right chord at the right time. Second, you keep a steady tempo. And third, whatever you play matches the style of the music. So if you hear something different, feel free to play it as long as it meets those 3 expectations. Again, that you play the right chord at the right time, you keep a steady tempo, and then that whatever you're strumming matches the style of the music. So if you can't find a strumming pattern that you like, that's what this part of the video is for. It is not the only pattern, it's just a pattern that works. And what I would suggest doing is using an island strum. And an island strum generally has a swing to it. We're not going to do a swing. It'll be down, down, up, up, down, up. It's going to sound like this. I'm going to be playing a D minor chord. Doesn't matter whether you're playing GCA or DGBE. It's still going to be a D minor chord right now. It's going to sound like this. Now, a couple things you'll notice. First of all is I'm playing where the body meets the neck. And second, my hand never stops moving. So I'm not trying to go. My hand is always going to be going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And to slow that down, it's down, down, up, down, up. My hand always is moving. It's just a matter of when I'm hitting the strings. Now, when I have this pattern of G minor, A minor, I'm shortening that part to just the beginning of the island strum. So it'd be something like this. If you caught that, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then part of the island strum, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And kind of finishing the island strum there. So it's all the island strum, but sometimes it's just part of it, especially when you have those chord changes of G minor to A minor to D minor. And really, that strumming pattern, along with those chords, is all you need to do to be successful on Steve's Lava Chicken, as recorded by Jack Black and as seen in the Minecraft movie. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.